Going on, guys? I got me a 3D printer. Don't mind my fingers, they're freaking dirty. I just did my thing, but I made B series valve covers. I try to make some K, but I can't find them, so I made B series valve covers, Honda ground washers, and a couple of things for myself. But yeah, right now I'm making a hook for myself. So me and my brother just did the driver's side ball joint. We're gonna do the passenger ball joint next week because it took 3 hours to do the driver's side. The things, they weren't really on there, but they were kind of on there, and it was just annoying, and my back was hurting. I didn't want to do the other side, so next week we'll do the other side. It had blocks racing ball joints. We just put in True Hearts, so not too bad. But yeah, just a quick update with the car. Car's here, man. I hit up like 13 tuners, man, not even gonna lie to you, for a tune. One reached back out telling me, but it'd be an e-tune. I don't know if I want to do that. I mean, I don't really care at this point because I reached out to so many people for a tune and literally nobody got back to me. So at this point, I'm really considering just like a street e-tune. But once I go boost, I really don't want to go that route. So we'll see. But as of right now, I have no idea. I just figured I'd let you guys know because I've been pretty much not posting anything. You know, I'm at least posting shorts or something. But yeah, what do you guys think? Tints or no tints? Because that other window right here was just replaced and it has no tint. So I got to get it tinted or not. But as you guys can see, we do still have the fuel tech set up. We have everything set up. The whole interior is looking crispy, guys. So I'm liking the interior. Everything ran good, obviously, before. So I don't really have to do anything crazy to get it going again. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to post. We are going to get, so these fenders are clapped. You guys remember, they're clapped fenders. They're rolled to piss. If you guys can see under there, they're rolled to piss. So we are going to replace both fenders, carbon fenders. Then we're going to get a carbon hood. And I'm definitely going to just supercharge the car, guys, because think about it. I'm going to get a carbon hood and cut it for that. I don't want to cut it 80 million times for different setups. So I'm going to go with a reliable route and just go with a Craftworks C38 charger. I checked all the brakes and all that on this side because for those who don't know, I bought this car from Sonic. He did tell me there was like a brake leak or whatever. I checked all the lines. I primed the brakes. I pumped them. I did all that stuff. Didn't notice one brake leak, so I don't know. And there was never a brake leak on this side. I did check this side, so I got to just check this side and see what happens. But I never noticed the brake fluid go down either, so I don't know. But yeah, maybe the wheel was just wet or something. He thought it was leaking, but yeah. So other than that, we're looking good, guys. We're looking really good. So I hope we could just get this going this week, hopefully. But yeah. I did start 3D printing. If anybody needs, I made Honda ground washers. They came out really good. I'll show you guys that in a second. And if anybody wants anything specific, I was working on a gauge. I'll post a picture right here. I almost finished it, but then I just gave up because it was taking way too long and I'm impatient. But I don't need it personally anyway. I was just going to make it to sell. But yeah, so